Hi guys, it's me, Bricks, and welcome back. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button at yung katabi niyang notification bell para ma-update ka whenever I upload a video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So ayan guys, for today's video is magre-react tayo sa SB19. Yes!
안녕하세요, SB19입니다. Hello everyone, we are SB19.
So ayun guys, for today's video is going to be another reaction video, and today's reaction video is about SB19. But hindi tayo magre-react sa kanilang music video, sa kanilang music or kung ano, but this is my first time to react SB19. So by the way guys, I am a fan of SB19, and kung naghanap kayo ng more details, maghanap na lang kayo sa YouTube or i-search nyo lang sa Google. And yon, sila nga pala ay isang Pinoy-blooded na K-pop artist na nag-train sa Korean agency.
Talagang Korean, ayan, no? Korean, di ba? Korean!
And nandito sila ngayon sa Pilipinas to promote music, dancing, and etc. Basta, it's all about music industry. So, ayun, ang reaction video natin for today is all about the SB19 achievements. So, ayun, congratulations pala sa SB19 for a big achievement this year, because this past few weeks sobrang dami nilang achievement, trending sa Billboard, mga awards. So ayan, and as a fan, as a atin is magre-react tayo. So wag ko nang papatagalin pa, let's get started. So ayan guys, I have here the laptop, and nandito yung mga pictures ng mga achievement na SB19. So congratulations. So ayan, ilalagay ko na lang dito yung picture, and let's see kung ano yung mga achievement nila. So guys, meron ako ditong 6 na screenshots ng mga achievements nila. Talagang bongga talaga yung SB19. Congratulations sa lahat ng members ng SB19. So pati na rin sa agency and everything. You are the best Filipino group as for me. So ayun. So ang ating first picture na i-react is this one. So hashtag SB19 most tweeted 2020. So I guess 2 weeks nang number 1 trending ang SB19 sa Philippines sa Twitter. Congratulations. So ayan, they are the most tweeted group or ano ba yan, creator or ano. And ayun, diba, it's a big achievement because starting still growing ba, talagang nag-i-improve sila, and they are very known sa Twitter. They are very popular, they are very well known. So congratulations for this achievement. And next, so the second one is this one, namamayagpag pa rin SB19, Tilaluha, yung title tracks nila or yung kanta nilang Tilaluha debuts at number 1 on Billboard Lyric Find Global, and hanggang sa huli peaks at number 3 on its 4 week. Oh my gosh. So sa 4th week, oh my gosh, wait lang. And hashtag number 8 naman tayo this week sa Billboard Social 50 on its 50th week. Oh my gosh. So ayan, congratulations SB19, yung Tilaluha nila nag-rank sa Billboard, debuts at number 1. Congratulations. And also hanggang sa huli peaks at number 3. Oh my gosh. It's so very overwhelming, nakaka-proud it is, because sila lang yung Pinoy artist, the first Pinoy artist group na talagang tumungtong sa Billboard. Oh my gosh, kasabayan nila yung BTS, 'di ba? So yung BTS parang parang ganun na rin din, 'di ba? Sobrang sikat na ng BTS, nasa Billboard na yung mga ibang K-pop, pero ito yung Pinoy talagang namamayagpag pa rin talaga sa ibang lupalop ng mundo. And akalain mo yun, naging number 1 yung Tilaluha sa Billboard and number 3 yung Hanggang sa Huli. And nakaka-proud talagang, alam mo yun, yung Pinoy, pero talagang na-train talaga sila ng traditional training ng K-pop artist sa South Korea. So, I'm so happy and congratulations! So, ayan. So, the next, ayan. So, this post from CNN Philippines. Congrats SB19. Pinoy pop group SB19 rank 6 in Billboard Social 50 Artists of 2020. Oh my gosh. Akalain nyo yun, sa sobrang daming artist sa USA, sa Hollywood ba? Sa USA, sa South Korea, sa all around the world. Rank 6 sila sa Billboard, be. So, congratulations talaga SB19. Oh my gosh. Justin, char lang. So, ayun, sobrang saya ko. Kasi, nakaka-proud. Char lang. So, merong nagsasabi, meron daw akong kamukhang SB19. So, comment down below. Char lang. Joke. So, ayan, congratulations. And, alam mo yun, hindi biro yung rank 6 sa Billboard, no? Sa 50. It is because madaming magagaling na artist. And, nag-rank 6 sila. And, akala nyo yun, Pinoy group. So, ayan. Oh my gosh. Wala lang ako ibang masabi. Pero, ayun, congratulations. And, so, this one from the Philippine Star. SB19 is also one of just 2 Southeast Asian artists. Indonesian Versa Bersi was at number 20 who made it to the list dominated by K-pop. So, SB19 is the only Filipino in Billboard Top Social 50 Artists of 2020. So, at what I've said kanina, di ba? Nakaka-proud. And the next is this one. SB19 Roar Awards All Kill. Oh my gosh, all kill sila, be. So, SB19 bags 4 awards and atin is the Fan Club of the Year for Lionhearts TV Roar Awards 2020. Oh my gosh, all kill sila, be. And Fan Club of the Year is atin SB19. Congratulations! And sa Lionhearts TV Roar Awards. Wait lang, meron akong naalala sa Lionhearts. Lionhearts ni Mami Tara Takanunti. Hindi ko alam, nakalimutan ko na lyrics. So ayun, GG Girls' Generation. And the first award is Breakthrough Artist of the Year. Oh my gosh. Syempre, breakthrough talaga. Kasi, akala nyo yun, ang bilis ng pag-grow nila. So, the second one is favorite performer. So, akala nyo yun, sila yung talagang favorite performer kasi I cannot say anything but excellent yung kanilang performance talaga. So, the third one is favorite group. So, ayan, syempre, favorite group. Hindi lang tayo puro K-pop, pero I love SB19 Pinoy group. I am a K-pop fan, but also, I love this group. So, ayan. And the last one is the Song of the Year. O, diba? Lakas Makamama 2020. Song of the Year is Alam ng SB19. And, ayan. So, ayun lang, guys.
Sobrang dami nilang achievement. And alam ko, marami pa ang paparating achievements sa SB19. And yun, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, congratulations once again SB19. And sana mapanood niyo aking video. So guys, sana panoorin niyo aking video. Please don't skip ads. So ayan, hindi ko na, bakit mayroong mga lamok? So ayan, guys, please don't skip ads to support my channel. So ayan, thank you. So going back, so ayun, congratulations once again SB19 sa maraming achievement and making us Filipino na sumusuporta. And wag niyo na, sa mga bashers dyan, manahimik na lang kayo, or ayan, kung hindi man lang, keep on bashing because the more you bash, the more they will be popular. So ayan, thank you so much pala sa lahat, sa ating lahat guys, na mga suporta sa SB19. And ayan, keep on supporting guys, Pinoy Acts, Pinoy Music, Pinoy Group. So yun ang ating video. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much for watching. Dito ko na ang aking video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button at yung katabi niyang notification bell para ma-update ka whenever I upload a video. I-follow mo na rin ako sa aking mga social media accounts down in the description box. So ayan guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Boy Siguman saying, annyeong! Bye!